My future career. I think about my future career a lot. I have many dreams. I want to do something important. I want to be successful. I also want to be happy. My future is very important to me. Right now, I am a teacher. I teach English to students. I love teaching. It is my passion. I enjoy helping students learn. I like seeing them understand new things. It makes me feel proud. Teaching is a great job. In the future, I want to be a professor. Professors teach at universities. They work with older students. They also do research. They write articles. They give lectures. They help students learn and grow. I think it is a wonderful job. To become a professor, I need more education. I need to go to graduate school. I need a master's degree first. Then, I need a PhD. This will take many years. It is not easy. But I am ready for the challenge. I am excited to learn more. I plan to study hard. I want to be the best student. I will read many books. I will write many papers. I will go to classes every day. I will do my homework. I will work with my professors. I will learn from them. My family supports me. They are happy for me. They want me to follow my dreams. My mom and dad are proud. They always tell me to do my best. My friends also support me. They know I can do it. They believe in me. I like to imagine my future life. I will teach at a big university. My students will be smart and curious. They will ask me many questions. I will give them good answers. I will make learning fun for them. I will use interesting materials. I also want to travel. Professors can travel for work. They go to conferences. They visit other universities. They meet other professors. They learn new things. I want to do that. I want to travel to Europe. I want to see Asia. I want to visit Africa. I want to learn about other cultures. I want to meet new people. My future career will be exciting. It will be full of new experiences. I will learn a lot. I will grow as a person. I will become wiser. I will become more skilled. I will become a great professor. This is my dream. Sometimes, I feel scared. What if I fail? What if I cannot do it? What if it is too hard? These questions worry me. But I try to stay positive. I tell myself to be brave. I tell myself to work hard. I know I can do it if I try my best. I have many hobbies. I like reading books. I read every night. It helps me relax. I also like writing. I write in my journal. I write about my day. I write about my dreams. Writing helps me think clearly. I also enjoy painting. It is a fun hobby. I like to paint landscapes. I paint mountains and rivers. I paint trees and flowers. It makes me feel happy. Art is a way to express myself. These hobbies make me a better teacher. I share my hobbies with my students. I tell them about my favorite books. I show them my paintings. They enjoy it. They learn new things from me. I learn new things from them, too. I have many goals for my future. I want to be healthy. I want to exercise every day. I want to eat good food. I want to stay strong. I want to feel good. Health is important. It helps me do my best. I also want to save money. Education is expensive. I will work hard to save money. I will be careful with my spending. I will make a budget. I will stick to it. I will plan for the future. I think about my future home. Maybe I will live in a big city. I will have a small apartment. It will be nice and cozy. I will decorate it. I will put up pictures. I will have a desk for my work. I will have a bookshelf full of books. Maybe I will have a pet. I like dogs. Dogs are friendly. They are fun. They make me happy. Maybe I will have a small dog. I will take it for walks. We will go to the park. It will be a good friend to me. My future will be full of learning. I will read many books. I will learn new languages. I want to learn French. I want to learn Spanish. Speaking many languages is important. It helps you connect with more people. I also want to learn new skills. I want to learn how to cook. Cooking is important. I want to make healthy meals. I want to cook for my family. I want to try new recipes. It will be fun. I want to be a good person. I want to be kind to others. I want to help people. I want to make the world a better place. My future career will let me do that. I will teach many students. I will inspire them to follow their dreams. I believe in myself. I know I can do great things. I know I will have a bright future. I am ready for the journey. I am ready to work hard. I am ready to learn and grow.